Hello guys, today we are going to the Milwaukee Car Show, and I don't have my phone flipped like this like I did last time. That was kind of stupid. So I'm filming on the DJI today. Bet you didn't know I had that, but normally I use my phone because it's just easier, but I figured for the car show, might as well use the DJI. So, what we're gonna do at the car show, Porsche's here this year, and some other companies. Okay guys, we are almost at the... Alright, so this is the Dodge Hellcat. So it has this nice Alcantara seats. I'm pretty sure it's Alcantara. So this car, it's not a manual. But what I don't like about this car is the paddle shifters. They're half paddles. No one likes half paddles because you don't get the whole. Has this nice deep red color to it. Now it might not show up as good as on camera, but it does have a very nice red to it. This one is actually a stick. Still Alcantara seats, but this one, look at this Camaro. This Camaro is an automatic. This one has all leather seats. The seats are really low on this. So, we have a Mustang GT. Alright.
Oh, we already saw it.
So, we got some supercars over here. Got a Maserati, a Ferrari, and we have a... What is that? I don't know what that is. I've never seen this.
I've seen it.
This is the Civic. So, as you can see, the clutch is far wiggle, alright, and it has this nice, well, not that big of screen. These are some nice seats though. They're like bucket seats, but they're really comfortable bucket seats. Then it has this carbon fiber, and this is a nice shifter. Anyways, moving on. Oh, they have some Volvos in here. You know what I want to see? Ooh, a Land Rover. Let's see this. Alright. So, we're gonna go inside the Land Rover. This thing is pretty nice. Now, it has a sunroof, and there's all this Oh, there's not actually a lot of space in them. Then the shifter is up here. And they have some touchpads. And there's steps here. This is... Anyways, let's see the back seats. Alright, so you have a little thing here for cup holders. Come on in. Let's go in this Land Rover. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
They really don't make much space there
Yeah.
for the electric seats. But it has paddle shifters. See? Those paddle shifters feel nice to press.
Oh, I like this.
It has a glow symbol on here. Then this is a huge car. They took off the shifter.
Yeah.
Let's go in the front. So